Watch the TY38. Hey. All right, Detail World, Still got a dilemma on my hand. The guy didn't make it yesterday to come through and change these. And one of my good friends said, TY, if you really want to take the chance to do it, you can go online and look on YouTube. It's pretty simple, but you know, I never really been like savvy with these type of things like this, so you know, I'll leave that to the professionals. But you see it right here, got the transmission and stuff right here. That's the engine block. Like I say, we just got some misfires of the spark plugs, things like that. Hopefully he will be through here today to do it. You know, when I get a chance, man, I need to really clean out the interior of my van. It's pretty dirty in here. But gonna go ahead and start my day. I got a few customers today. Still a blessing to be able to get out here and work, but this is kind of getting agitating. But that's just the way of life, and I just need to stay up on these things so they won't even happen again. But you already see it, Van sitting here in the driveway. We got Mary Jane right there, so we're gonna go ahead and hop in the car, head to these first stops, and man, call it a day. But I hope y'all already having a good day. You see, I already took the hair down, got this big fro out, so you know, just gonna be good day. I think we got like 4 or 5 vehicles today. Had to cancel one already because it was at office buildings. Luckily everybody at home today, so I'm finna go ahead and head to the first stop, which is a new customer. And y'all already know, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We still on that road to 1,000, so we can get to 10,000 and more. So y'all continue to be great, and I'm gonna be great, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, y'all already know what to do. What it do, YouTube, what it do. Right now, we made it to this first appointment right now, and we already got the exterior and the interior of the car knocked out. We was running a little late behind because I was waiting on the guy to get to my house to finish fixing the van, and it should be done within an hour or two. I might head home to get it because my next stop, she literally don't have a spigot anywhere on her house, if that's what you call it, to do the car. So I'm about to go ahead and finish loading up. You see I got the big trusty pressure washer right here, finna load in the back of the car. But we already got the car completely done, and I forgot my tire shine at home because I left one of my main buckets. When I took the kids to school, I took it out and let the kids ride in the car. But other than that, we already got the whole interior of the car knocked out. You know what I mean? It looks amazing. The car really wasn't that bad in the get-go, so it made it a little bit easier to clean. Just really the exterior is pretty dirty this time. I see she don't even have a dog in her car. I know she have a dog, but I see she don't let the dog get in her car. But if you see these door jambs right here, how they still a little dirty, so you get your rag, you come through and just take your rag and just wipe the door jambs down. Like I said, it kind of helps with the percent with the car. You know, when they open up their doors, they'll see all that dirt is gone. But like I said, we about to get ready. Hold on, man. I got a video playing in the background, so y'all probably hear me twice. But let me stop that. But like I said, we just got through knocking out this Lexus. Finna pull it in the garage, let her know we done, get paid, head to the next appointment. This is a Lexus GS 460, and I think they got a 470 and a 480 and a couple of biggest models. It's called the Ephraim, I believe, but not 100% sure. But you see, like I said, we was working on these door jambs, getting the rest of the car completely done, and put it in the garage. You got to put the mats up. The mats are completely drying right now. The high today supposed to be 60-something degrees, so that's a blessing. See, spring is upon us, but the nights are still dropping down to the 30s and things of that nature. But you see the door jambs, like I said, just come through with a rag, clean the door jambs up like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and let her know we done, get paid, head to the next stop. Y'all already know, man, do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Well, I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Make sure you stay committed to the process. Don't ever let nobody stop you. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. All right, Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this second stop of the day. We're working on this Mazda. It's from a new customer. She actually got my number from a lady who haven't used my services in over, man, 3-4 years, if that. But if you see the interior of the car, we definitely finna get here and do an interior detail. Make sure we clean the carpet real well, get in between the seats, under the seats, around the seats, on the seats. Make sure you clean the console, things like that. Because if you look at the console, I don't know on the camera how smudgy it look, but it's definitely dirty. They definitely get back there in the back, look like she got a few kids, so we definitely gonna make sure we get in here, clean these cup holders, vacuum the carpet real well, and things like that. I know I seen a few spillages, so we're gonna make sure we get back here, see in the cup holder, like I said, a couple spillages, and you see right there. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on, because like I always tell you, man, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's not even considered a job. It's just you doing what you do. So I'm about to go ahead and do what I need to do because I still got one more stop for the day. Like I said, I had to get one of the ladies to reschedule because I had to go pick up the van. Yes, the van is back. Like I said, it was just misfiring and things like that. But when we get a chance, we definitely gonna clean out my van because if you see, it definitely need a good cleaning out. Pretty dirty in here. So hold on, lighting look terrible, but it's a little dirty in here. So me clean my van, things of that nature. But I'm about to go ahead and get cracking, man. Catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We finally got this Mazda CX-9 completely done, in and out. It took us a little time to do it. We got here at 2 o'clock, it's actually 4:55. It was a little dirty in the interior, but y'all already know how that go. Because we take so much pride in the work we do. So we always want to make sure the work is done properly. But if you look, we got all the debris that was in here completely out, that was on the seats. The debris that was in between the seats right there, just everywhere. So y'all know how it go, man. And y'all know my motto, man. When you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's not considered a job. But I got about a 45-minute stop, ride to where I need to go next, man. So I'm gonna get up out of here and I'll catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do. What it do, man? We finally got this last car done of the day, which is this CLS63, man. Got the whole car looking amazing. Really didn't take too long to clean this car. Her car is fairly clean. She always keep it pretty clean. I think all her kids are grown now, so I think that's the best thing about it. I don't think her husband even drives in her car. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick glimpse of the interior. Like I said, I love that red. The red in this car is pretty dope. Red piping, red seats. One thing I need to do right now is just hit the door jams, things like that. But the rest of the car came out well. Like I said, we about to get ready and head home. Probably about 30 minutes stop from here. So it's gonna go ahead and hit that road and everything. But like I said, it's a CLS 53. But on that note, man, y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit it yet. Leave, like, share, comment. Y'all already know, man. And let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong in these videos or what can I do to make my videos better. But really, I take all that because constructive criticism is everything. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace.